So anyway, guys, this is Samani Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday, guys. Today it is the last Sunday of 2025. One thing about Ugel 2025, it was not an easy year, guys. I say go will basic was guys. Let's hope 2026 be kind to us without me wasting your time. Let's get to sort of today, guys. Just still remember a house Yakatobile Mselek on September season 8. People were not happy saying Woteganjani because the Tobile, it is alleged she has more money compared to the other wives, Mayeni, Magdale, Mangwabe, and Samke, because she is still the new wife number 5. So people were shocked. So today, Enhle ingane yakaThobile Mseleke posted a mini vlog and people noticed ukuthi hayi man umuzi kaThobile Mseleke, the new house. Guess what? The house is so beautiful, guys. This is the type of house Thobile Mseleke deserves. So guys, on Christmas Umasam Mseleke was there. One thing about this temple, guys, it is so painful. It means that Umasam Mseleke this year he needed to spend time in Thobile Mseleke. Remember she spent alone Samke. I don't know, it wanna take 5 years for Samke to have a Christmas no some sort of guys. Let's but if there's money, why not? Because guys, but it's better to cry in Dubai than to cry in Soweto, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday, happy festive season. Bye.